Hey, welcome back to part 2. Recapping from where I last left off, where my camera cut out on me. As I was saying, this was their attempt to make an N on the driver, I guess. Because as you know, some drivers are marked with either letters, like A for a cell, or they have designs like this one has a little shield. Well, not this one, but that one had a little shield on there that we saw for, obviously, shield driver. And this one, yeah, kind of has a little bit of rough surface down here. This one's not actually smooth, it actually has a rough surface with a little claws kind of grab like the little ball. But yeah, so let's see if we could get these in camera and clean it up a bit. Yeah, so the same. These two are exactly the same. It's just these that's kind of different. I mean, energy layers are all the same except, you have your blue, greenish, well not greenish, but like turquoise teal type of color-ish green. And then white was